maka na ụbọchị Chukwu kere mmadụ n'elu ụwa ka o kere ife ọ ga-abụ n'ụwa ya bụ na adịghị azọ eze azọ n'ụwa a na-amụ eze amụ n'ụwa maka anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo nọ na Ghana dị ka ụmụ Israel na Egypt Chukwu ewezitere anyị n'edu nke
Another one, I present my food.
Please, I present my food.
Thank you.
onye ndu nwere ịfụnanya onye ndu ihe gbasara ụmụnne ya na-emetụ n'obi n'ụwa ya bụ His Royal Majesty
temperature and Bible when we talk about 200. I came to say the Chinese go to the Ufaju juru na keetu kwelule asnodi man na otoki begele elu ndị ụgbọala dị ma jụrụ ha asụsụ ọtọ na-ekele Chineke biko ụkwụ eji bịa ngejigbo wala ihe ọma nọ n'wetelele Chineke akwa Chukwu ga mmadụ mmadụ maka onye hụrụ ihe ọma n'anya ihe ọma ga-eru ya aka onye ahụrụ ihe ọma anya ahụ ihe ọma ote unu ose na ihe ọma na-erute ezinụlọ ọ ga-erukwu na mmadụ ma Chineke gozi anyị n'aha Jizọs.
Delegated in Dodo Nsaki. That is the acting president of the Ghana Traditional Council. And in the entourage is Ni Aikai. And a member of the Ghana Traditional Council. If I should continue, we have Ni Aite Probosaki, Akwete Probosaki, the head of the basis 2. The document chief here, you can be second. We have the Queen Mother of Otubro, now Chiche Ajima. We have Nyafua as Facha of Dakuma. And then New Okai, a member of the entourage. And a royal of Akwete Probosaki. We have Na Adukali, who is the Queen Mother of Odupongpe, where you call Kaswa. And then there's 2 mother of the same stool. We have here
Registrar.
Mercy Asante, the registrar of the Ghana Traditional Council. And then we have me Okuje Etuo, the third, the Asafache of the Ghana State. And with all humility, my very self, a member of the Kingmakers of the Ghana State. I am Amui the Graft Kwe. Here now, we have been directed and instructed and asked by the King of the Ghana State, your landlord, the most landlord, yes, that Nedo Runsaki should lead us to come and grace this function in person. This is an internal custom. We plead with you, if you humbly bring your small bed, that is to lead the Igbo community in Ghana traditionally, for the blessing that has been bestowed on Nedo Runsaki to be parted on the little bed.
I should close.
As custom demands, the gods of the lands must be invoked so that they can taste and then accept and bless the incoming bird, who will be a source of direction. He will come to the Ghana Manche for directives and then use it to instruct his people. So that custom is definitely coming.
Thank you. Wagagu, ni make na me. Ni akumadi. Why? Agagu.
Ago chama Kenya me.
Agagu.
Ago ni me Kenya me.
Agagu.
Eh, bo ma wo.
Ya.
Atani bobo mo bo spon wo chekete. Isa no bo ma de san.
Ya.
Ke bi e show chobu.
Ya.
Domo drone sa kwa jowo.
Ya.
Da ko fa ba Jordan ni.
Ya.
Eh, me na shi me. Me na shi so ni ma so.
Ya. Ya.
Eh, chama Kenya me ni me Kenya me.
Ya.
Ni yo dambu name. Ye tutu. What you eh?
Yeah.
Vanuako, make a John Drajo or menu or trash in it.
Yeah.
I can tell what Tashi be or Tashi a shaku or show my Sunday.
Yeah.
I can man film monkey we are to boya ku ke ona o yin yelo
Yeah.
ni kanoku e mambi e banana
Yeah.
defu mani abe kuku ne be ona wole akesi Igbo community ni yo Ghana amento ame onupa igwe ni ba kwe community enu mane ni egbeji ni egbe na inni to eze chuku edu ede chukude akẹgbẹ́nẹ̀ wọ́n búlẹ̀ fáì ní ma bí fẹ́ ànàlẹ̀ ewé bí fẹ́ ànàlẹ̀ akẹ àmẹ́tẹ̀ ní àmẹ́hìn yẹ máa náà jí ní kẹwọ́ ẹni kò bẹ tó ẹlẹ́ yẹn kẹ́ni kò tó mọ̀ ní káwọ́ àfi ẹ̀ṣin gàmàntẹ̀ lẹ́lẹ́ ha wọ̀ níṣẹ́ invitation no okay me ne pe wo ba kwa mi se le o na ko ami ko manye chukwe twa kwa mi te kwe twa kwa ni dan wa ji se wo yen odon tete po si ati no fo ko wo se si na ngo jo mu dun asue no ke onu pa ke man bi ni obi e fe no na mi na ya ododo ben ko me miye ko ni ke ami busha mi ya ani pa mi ko manya ba kasa ne ko gba mi na e ko be na ba ya fa ba na ni gan ge ni gan la ni tu oni sa ni tu e ke gba mi yen nya no cha mi ganye me ni me ke na mi ni ba ya ko nyonu ayi e ke jo ran jo mi na mi obo na mi bobo acho ape ami no aka hin bo e wa la fe ami no ami bi aya na ra o aya na ra mi fe ne ba na mi si na mi ba ami ba na mi ba kwe ise fi wo pa pa Johnny mi ametake ba kami ya mashe ko manye ko pakatwa te ko akatwa kami nyola nya fetu kami nyo fe fa cha sak mo ko janya mo ato fito sa ta ba nu ko e no ke jo mo tranjo ami na ogbe dada kin diki amra ru si che odo me che ba e ko no ke jo mo tranjo ami na ko le aboyo so e bukata manto waje bi ajumba awa manje bo an rasu ashanti su awa manje ba nu ko no ke jo mo tranjo ami ke jelang ma ke bi adansu kwa bi ogutu kwa bi du ko ikwaso check wo ti eku wo lenyi pridiapo wo ko akesi Igbo bi ametomo wo game lele na mi ka mba shega ame ba mi ke sana mi na mi yin lo la me chewo no ba ye o dasi wo ba na fe wo tete pon shi ati mani che me fe ne hwete me ni eta se ne no ka hu me won pa fai ake jo mo drama jole ko ni ena wala se wala ni ke klo e man bi na fi alo go ni ba na le acho ape no ka yin mo fi o ko mi afi yin obi enyo itrema ko mi afi itrema bi enyo won pa fai ha le do mo ni ke klo e man bi ko fe no ni je amena na pepe ka me na ne yan ba na gamante no ni gamante ke ka mi ta pe amena ka yin to manya ba
Ashnida.
You squat.
You also see 3 types of the glass. You did not bless yourself, so don't hold the glass.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay, please.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm going to bring the last one. Stop.
Yeah.
Yes. Here at this juncture, the same delegate with the low from BBU, the small bed in the middle, will come to the acting president to collect whatever blessing that has been handed over to him by the king of the Ghana state to be parted to him. So, yes. The delegates.
He will be in the middle.
Yes.
Yes, you have accepted you, not only as a son, as a king. Thank you, sir. You are going to build your family, your country. Give you a long life, wisdom, understanding, tolerance. Bring down trouble, let us know. Thank you, because we are more or less part of you. Thank you, my king. So I give you sincere grace. Thank you, my king. Stay long. This is your will. Thank you, my king.
You are the one who will move.
Are you there for him back? You don't hear people saying you are going to destroy. You don't hear people saying you are going to pursue, achieve, and you don't do it here. It's a Bible. So try to guide him. If any faults, let us know. We will give him advice. We want you to say this is what because we are not going to the prison. We are part of this.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a blessing to us. So I have to do everything smart. The next thing. So the advice, appreciation, everything is so I wish you a long life. Wisdom, tolerance, truthfulness. God bless you. As the kingmakers, you have to guide me, you have to give me advice. If you force, the dream will come on. All the people who have to take it, you have to guide them. And not only, but people around you, all the rules like guide them. Though I don't rely on you, so you have to give good advice. Guide them right. You need to have a long life. Tolerance is a young one, so you have to be God bless you. Hey, Chief, you brought it. I know you are doing well. So continue sincere. What you are doing is a history. Don't think you're taking your own, we are going to history. Yes. It's the first time you are doing this.
Yes.
You must be proud.
Yes.
Long life to you.
Thank you.
Smart man. We wish you well. Now, this is your country. Part of your country. Let you know the second one. You two are going to be in the anything you let us know. Come back to the because chieftains, kings, That will appreciate. It's about temptation and everything. So now what you are doing, I always say it's the first time. So don't do so you do the fruits, character and everything. I can see that we are with you. Because we can't see, we are all English. We know it. We know it. So we do bad, we are affect us too. Don't think. You need a blessing. You give you long blessing. Long life. You know you can guide them. You are going to make the history. You are going to make country. Make your see here. Prosperous. You will see prosperous. You have to face before. You have one that you really trust. You have to be more body.
The King Majesty, I present to you your daughter, the Ugo Eze, the wife of the king. This is your daughter, so you greet them first in your language.
Sincere blessing and advice. It's an honor. It's an honor. Be the right is in it. But be you have to guide me. So if you focus, you are the fair person. If you give bad advice, you will say this is bad. You will give me the man with bad advice in the house. So you have to be straightforward and neutral. And also get happy in the house. You have to guide them, make it happy. Anything you want, that will be.
Okay. Name. At this juncture, we expect the kingmakers to bring their low from BBO, the bed, here by the waist for the king's rep to formally install him.
You bring your chair.
You say you are part just like the guns. You should have put in a traditional song and it clamours everything. So Aluta continue.
Check Immaculate! Check Immaculate! Nwanye Mbo Eze. Choose. Chupodi ihe na-etu. Taa ndị ga manche gburugburu anabatala ya as ezigbo Ghana. Ezigbo Igbo.
Yeah.
That is our own culture. So that is the greeting of our people. So we are welcoming you people. So we are happy.
Chega tocando